Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact AdSense status on your account. Suspended, disabled, or limited matters because appeal paths differ. Once you have that, collect your publisher ID, affected site URLs, screenshots of problematic ads, and traffic source details, organic versus paid. Make sure to log dates and any warning emails, and summarize suspected policy violations in one clear paragraph. This saves time when you open the appeal form, because reviewers need concise evidence, not long stories. Now craft an appeal that explains what happened, why it happened, and precisely what you changed. Start with a one-sentence summary, then list corrective actions: removed violating content, blocked non-compliant advertisers, fixed ads, TXT and updated ad placements. Include timestamps and references to analytics or server logs as proof. Attach screenshots. Submit via the official appeal form and choose the correct category. After submission, track email and console messages. Google often asks follow-up questions, so respond quickly and clearly. Finish by actively monitoring your email and the AdSense Policy Center for the reviewer's response. Decisions can take days. If your appeal is denied, request specific clarification and provide additional evidence within 72 hours. Show precise remediation steps. Make sure to audit traffic sources and remove any invalid click sources, because repeated signals will block reapproval. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hit a wall, perform a fresh site audit with a second pair of eyes, and document every fix before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.